What do you get for 2.1 million in Laguna Niguel? This great little house. It's such a cool little cottage. I love the yard. It's got all kinds of outdoor living areas. Let's do a quick walkthrough and check this one out. See, just great trees, great landscaping. Such a neat house. Just a little single level. Little fire pit out here. Got the Dutch doors. I love that. Opens up to the outside. Like the high ceilings in here, great. Hi guys.
Hi, how are you?
Got a great kitchen. And this is what I'm talking about, all the outside areas. I think these are just great. Monica. Yeah, great little outdoor areas. Alright, I won't go through all the bedrooms and everything, but this kind of an idea. Kind of TV out there, little living room. It's awesome.